All that is for those 5 days. They indicated that because of the hectic schedule on their side and also their commitments abroad, so they requested that the 5-day visit be reduced to 3 days. That meant that Free State and Western Cape should be taken out of the schedule. And at the time, Eastern Cape and Gauteng were the only two provinces that he was going to visit. So a request was made to the Sports and Recreation South Africa to draw another schedule that will fit the 3 days that they had proposed. So in drawing that program for 3 days, as I indicated, that Eastern Cape was part of it because it is the mecca of boxing. It was sent back to Mayweather management, and their response was not favorable at all because they felt that Eastern Cape visit should also be taken off as well because of their schedule. And attempts to persuade them to reconsider the Eastern Cape, it really fell on deaf ear to an extent that the minister, Mr. Mbalula, took a decision that he would actually talk to Mayweather himself. And at the time, Mayweather was not in the country. So Mayweather arrived last night in the country, and minister thought that if he can talk to Mayweather, he may be in a position to persuade him, to reconsider the Eastern Cape because it is the mecca of boxing, as we all agree. But this was communicated to me by the Director General of Sport and Recreation South Africa. And today, the DG came back to me and said, look, we've done all what we could, but Mayweather respectfully understand that Eastern Cape, in particular East London, is the mecca of boxing. But because of his schedule, he requested that he mustn't come to the Eastern Cape. Rather, he actually considers visiting Eastern Cape, next time, but not tomorrow.